Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about natural language processing in requirements analysis. In the rapidly evolving landscape of software engineering, effective requirement analysis stands as the cornerstone for successful project outcomes. However, the inherent challenges in deciphering and interpreting natural language requirements often hinders with this critical process. This presentation delves into the transformative role of natural language processing in overcoming these challenges, offering a nuanced understanding of how natural language processing can transform requirement analysis and ultimately contributing to the more precise and efficient software development. We have been using traditional methods for a very long time, but there are certain challenges in the traditional methods. Traditional requirement often contains ambiguous language that can lead to misinterpretations. For instance, a requirement stating the system should be fast lacks clarity on what fast precisely means. In the traditional methods, the documented requirements may exhibit inconsistencies, where different sections of the documentation conflicts with each other. This can create confusion among the development teams and in the development process. On the other hand, different stakeholders may interpret requirements differently, leading to discrepancies in understanding and implementations. For example, let's consider a requirement. The software should be easy to use. Without a clear definition of easy, this requirement is susceptible to varied interpretations, making it challenging for developers to implement a universally accepted standards of usability. In such situations, NLP can be a transformative solution to enhance the precision and clarity of requirement analysis. Now let's talk about the role of natural language processing in requirement analysis. NLP brings a level of precision to requirement analysis by employing advanced linguistic techniques to interpret and understand the nuances of natural language. NLP helps in resolving ambiguity by providing tools to discern and clarify vague or imprecise language used in requirements. Through sophisticated algorithms, NLP can facilitate a deeper semantic understanding of requirements, enabling a more accurate extraction of essential information. Let's consider an example. The requirement is the system should respond quickly. NLP can interpret quickly in context considering the factors of response time benchmark and contribute to a more precise and universally understood requirement. There are various NLP techniques that can be used in the requirement analysis phase of software development. The traditional requirement analysis often relies on human interpretation, leading to varying levels of precision and clarity. NLP techniques such as tokenization and parsing enables a more granular breakdown of requirements. In tokenization, the phrase is broken down into a smaller units, whereas parsing analyzes the grammatical structure of the sentence. This results in a clearer understanding of individual components, reducing ambiguity and providing a more precise interpretation. In traditional methods, we manually extract relevant information from lengthy requirement documents, and this is a time-consuming task and prone to oversight. NLP automates the extraction process. Techniques like named entity recognition and sentiment analysis help quickly identify key elements and sentiments in the requirements. Understanding the context of a requirement, especially in domain-specific language, can be challenging for individuals unfamiliar with the industry. NLP models can be trained on domain-specific datasets, enabling them to understand industry jargons and contexts, leading to a more accurate interpretation. These techniques are applied to extract key information from natural language requirements, aiding in understanding structure, meaning, and sentiments conveyed in the requirements. Now that we have discussed the role and techniques used in NLP for requirement analysis, let's talk about the benefits of NLP. NLP enhances the accuracy of requirement analysis by providing a more precise interpretation of natural language, reducing the likelihood of misinterpretations. Through automation and advanced linguistic processing, NLP accelerates the analysis process, saving time and resources compared to manual methods. Clearer and more accurately interpreted requirements foster improved collaboration between diverse stakeholders, including developers, project managers, and end users. NLP will help to streamline processes, reduce errors, and promote collaboration for more effective software development outcomes. While natural language processing offers substantial benefits in requirement analysis, there are also challenges and drawbacks that need careful consideration. Starting with data biases and ethics. NLP models are susceptible to biases present in training data, which can result in unfair or unintended consequences. To overcome this, we can use diverse and representative training dataset to minimize biases. Additionally, we can establish clear ethical guidelines for data collection and model training. NLP model can be complex and resource intensive. Small development teams with limited resource may find it challenging to adopt and sustain to use of complex NLP techniques effectively. We can focus on specific high impact use cases where NLP can provide significant value. This allows for a more targeted and resource efficient implementation. We can also leverage cloud based NLP services that provide pre trained models, reducing the need for extensive in house resources. Incorporating NLP into existing development workflows may require substantial adjustments and integration efforts. Existing tools and processes may not seamlessly accommodate NLP. To overcome this, start with pilot projects to assess feasibility and impact and tailor NLP solution to align with the existing tools and processes within the organization. Lastly, some advanced NLP models like deep neural networks are often considered as black boxes, making it challenging to interpret their decision-making process. Understanding why a particular requirement was interpreted in a specific way by an NLP model might be difficult. To overcome this, we can opt for more interpretable models such as rule-based or supervised learning approaches, especially in the cases where transparency is crucial. We have discussed the challenges of traditional methods, role, techniques, and benefits of NLP. Can you tell me how might NLP contribute to more proactive risk management during the requirement analysis phase? Feel free to pause the video and think about your answer. NLP, through sentiment analysis and comprehensive understanding of requirements, can help in identifying potential risk early in the analysis phase. For instance, by recognizing negative sentiments in certain requirements, the team can proactively address potential challenges, ensuring a more resilient and risk-aware development process. As we look ahead, the future of natural language processing holds exciting possibilities for reshaping how we approach requirement analysis in software engineering. Two key trends stand out as transformative forces that will likely redefine the landscape. One prominent trend on the horizon is the continuous evolution of neural language models. The recent strides made with models like GPT-4 showcases the increasing sophistication and scale of these models. GPT-4 and its successors are expected to bring about a substantial leap in context-aware understanding. With larger model sizes and more diverse training data, these models are poised to offer a more nuanced interpretation of complex natural language requirements. These advancements hold the promise of addressing challenges related to ambiguity and contextual intricacies, contributing to a more accurate and redefined requirement analysis process. The next is growing influence of transformer architectures. The prevalence and impact of transformer architectures in NLP signify another crucial trend. Transformers, renowned for their effectiveness in handling complex language structures and dependencies, are anticipated to play a pivotal role in the future of requirement analysis. These architectures, with their attention mechanism, excel at capturing long-range dependencies in natural language. As a result, they offer a more sophisticated means of understanding intricate specifications. The evolution of transformer architecture is likely to empower NLP model with enhanced capabilities of deciphering complex and multifaceted requirements, ultimately contributing to a more precise and insightful analysis. In wrapping up our exploration of natural language processing and requirement analysis, we have uncovered how NLP brings precision, efficiency, and a better understanding to software development process. From dissecting language interfaces to anticipating future trends with advanced models, NLP emerges as a transformative tool. As we move forward, integrating NLP promises not just streamlined requirement analysis but a catalyst for innovation and excellence in software engineering. Let's embrace the power of NLP to reshape how we conceptualize and develop software. Thank you for listening.